Wisconsin residents and UW alumni are teaming up to help rebuild UW-Madison following the pandemic. Last week, UW-Madison Chancellor Rebecca Blank said the University of Wisconsin will face $320 million in pandemic-related losses. A group of Wisconsin residents created Badgers United, which is a nonprofit formed by Wisconsin residents who recognize UW-Madison's impact on the state. They say the decline in state support, the decline in revenue, and the tuition freeze are taking a toll on the university.
I feel a great sense of urgency that all of us as leaders in our community, we need our friends in the legislature, we need our friends in the executive, but all of us have got to redouble, triple our efforts to make up for some of the ground that we've lost, but really to project this institution forward, this great global institution forward, for the next couple decades.
Officials say UW-Madison ranks 10th in the Big Ten when it comes to tuition costs.